Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Gizdodo. Everything that you'll be needing for this will be listed down in the description box below with measurements. And also don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let me know your questions. If you have video requests, don't forget to leave them in the comment section as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until then, let's get right into this tutorial. Welcome back, guys. So here are the things that you will be needing to make Gizdodo. Everything will be listed down in the description box below with measurements, so don't forget to check it out in case you have questions and this video is going too fast for you. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is to boil your gizzard. So I have 2 pounds of gizzard going in the pot. I'm going to add a cup of water to it and season it. So I use 2 Maggie and a dash of salt, just something light. And I'm also adding some onion powder to it. So you cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So right now I'm preparing my plantains. So I'm slicing it up in cube shape. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So you don't want to cut it too small and too big or too big. So you want to target medium size. Like so. So now you pour 2 cups of oil to fry the plantain. So you have to let the oil get hot first. So while it's getting hot, you check your gizzard and it's ready at this point. So all you have to do is to drain it and set it aside. This step will be showing me frying my plantains. And you want to fry your plantains to be golden. You don't want to burn it. So while the plantain is frying, we will blend our peppers. So here I'm blending my onions, bell peppers, and habanero, also chili peppers. So that's what it looked like. I chopped it up. So now we are going to make the sauce. You'll pour 1/4 cup of oil, and I used the same oil I used to fry my dodo. So I just took from it and pour the blended chopped peppers. And I'm going to season. You can season it with whatever, however, but I use 3 cubes of Maggie. And also half a tablespoon of salt. And you can add curry, thyme, more Maggie, less, totally up to you, but this is what I did. So you're gonna cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'm checking and stirring to make sure it's not burning at the bottom. And you want to do this frequently. So here I am checking it, stirring the bottom. And we want to make sure the sauce is fried. So 15 minutes later, I'm checking and it looks fried enough. So now at this point I will be adding my gizzard to the sauce. And don't forget to drain your gizzard if you didn't drain it. So you're gonna stir and let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it looks good. It's frying well. Everything is smelling tantalizing. So I'm adding my dodo. So you're just going to let it steam for about 2 minutes, or a minute actually. You don't want to overdo anything. About a minute and a half later, it's ready, it's done, it's fried, and it was very delicious. Just take a look. Oh, look at that. Alright, well, Gizdodo is ready at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And yes, it tasted very delicious. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.